Hello, my name is Ben Schneider. I am a consultant at Solved Cloud, and I'm here to answer the question today, how does Agentforce handle complex multi-step tasks? So we're going to start out by first reviewing the difference between an agent topic and an agent action. I'm going to do a demonstration with an Agentforce service agent that I have set up in a personal testing environment, and that'll sum us up. Without further ado, let's jump in. All right, so Agentforce, handling complex multi-step tasks. First things first, an agent topic and an agent action. So these definitions are from Agentforce's documentation, or Salesforce's documentation on Agentforce. An agent topic, category of actions related to a particular job to be done by agents. Within a topic, there are agent actions. So an agent topic, for example, might be account management or case management. And then an agent action is the actual job that agents perform within that topic. So it might be summarize cases or close a case within case management or retrieve case details, things like that. So that is the difference between an agent topic and an agent action. And when you have a complex multi-step task or request of your Agentforce agent, it might go through multiple agent topics, and it definitely will go through multiple agent actions. So I'm going to switch over to my org now and give you a demonstration of that. All right, here we are in my test environment. The screen you're seeing right here is Agent Builder. So I have set up an Agentforce service agent. The context of this agent is that it is communicating with customers, with people who are contact records in my Salesforce organization, and is doing things like helping them with their account or with their cases. So let me actually go back over here, and you can see here all the topics that I have available to my Agentforce service agent. So account management, if I click in here, I don't think I've added any actions yet. So out of the box, you do need to add actions. Case management, I have modified, which is why it does not have that little world icon here. If you click into it, you'll see that it has a description of what the topic is for, the scope of the actions within the topic, and the different instructions, all in plain language. Let's go over to the actions. You can see here, these are the actual things that the agent can do within case management, within the case management topic. So adding a case comment, answer questions with knowledge. It can create cases. It will get cases for a contact and also be able to identify the contact or the customer by an email address, close cases. So these are all actions that the agent can actually perform. We are going to put this to the test here. So in my right side here, the conversation preview, this is where I'm able to test the agent to make sure it works as I expect. So I'm going to say, please help me with my cases. My email is lbailey@example.com. Okay, now this is a pretty simple request. This is going to return a list of the cases that I have. I'm acting in the scenario as Lauren Bailey, the contact record in my environment. So this is working, and now it output all these cases here and just some brief details about them. So subject, case under description, status. We can see over here, this is my prompt. It went into the case management topic, and then it did a few actions. It identified the customer by email, so I gave it my email address. And then it got all the cases for Lauren Bailey. Now, I'm going to take one of these here. I see that this one, 0001252, is of status new. So I'm going to actually copy this. I have a prompt over on my other screen that I'm going to use to automatically do a more complex and multi-step request here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this over here. So the request here says, my name is Lauren Bailey. My email is lbailey@example.com. Retrieve my contact. Then please close the case record with the case number 00001252. Then provide a summary of my cases sorted by status. So going to click enter and going to allow that to run. So a few of the actions here, this is still within the case management topic. And let's check here. This happens sometimes. I'm going to just repaste this in and see if this helps here. It's not perfect. It has issues every now and then. Let's see if this works better this time. Like we're getting a little bit farther. Okay. And there you go. All right. So let's look here. Our new cases. We have just these two. So the one that we provided, the 00001252, it is not in new or working. We can see here, it is now in the closed cases. So we look here, it went through these actions. It went through close case, get all cases for contact. It also retrieved my customer from the email. So that's a demonstration of how Agentforce handles multi-step and complex requests. All right, I've listed here my sources that I used to provide those definitions on agent topics and agent actions. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with someone else who might find it useful. If you're interested in learning more about how Agentforce can level up your Salesforce instance, comment below or visit solve.cloud. Thank you.